BCS Mathematical Reasoning. Question 1. If you count 1 to 100, how many 5s will you pass on the way? Options: Q 10, Q 11, G 18, G 19. Source: 29th BCS. Think out the answer. If not, please see the explanation. It is to be noted that all the 4 options does not have the answer. Correct answer 20. Explanation. Let us put the chart from 1 to 100 first. We'll start column by column so we can understand it clearly. In the first column, we can see there is number 51, and this is the first 5. So column 1 has 1 5. In the second column, we have 52, so there is 1 5. In third column, we have the number 53, and the number 5 is 1 there too. In the fourth column, we have the number 54, and we have 1 5 there. In the column 5th, we can see there is 10 5, and the number 55 has 1 extra 5. So in column 5th, there are 11 5s. In 6th column, the number 56, we have 1 5. In 7th column, we have number 57, and we have 1 5 here. In 8th column, we have number 58, and we have 1 5 here. In 9th column, we have 59, and we have 1 5 here. And in the 10th column, the number 50, and we have 1 5. Now in the below table, if we calculate all the numbers, then we will get 20. It is to be noted that from 1 to 100, all numbers from 1 to 9 will appear 20 times. However, only 0 will appear 11 times. So the answer is 20, and in the question, the options do not include this answer. Thank you for watching.
টিউটোরিয়াল দেখার জন্য আপনাকে ধন্যবাদ। আপনার যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে তবে আমাদেরকে rhkstorecouk@gmail.com এ ইমেইল করুন বা মন্তব্য বিভাগে লিখুন। আমাদেরকে অনুপ্রাণিত করার জন্য সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, থামস আপ দিন বা লাইক দিন। আপনার বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করুন এবং নতুন টিউটোরিয়াল পেতে বেল আইকন টিপতে ভুলবেন না।